Today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter 5, the early Vedic civilization. The first topic is the Aryans. The advanced Harappan civilization, which flourished between 2500 and 1500 BCE, reached a stage of stagnation by 1500 BCE. So we have already discussed about the Harappan civilization and we have come to know that during this period the Harappan civilization was flourishing in a better way, but at the end of 1500 BCE, finally the Harappan civilization was declined. Around this time, the Aryans began to arrive in India in several waves. So when the Harappan civilization was already present in India and some part of Pakistan, the Aryans started to invade India in many ways. They came into conflict with the indigenous inhabitant called the Dasas and Dasyus and took over their land. So first they have captured the land which belonged to the tribe known as Dasas and Dasyus, and finally defeating them, they have captured their area which was a part of India. Most historians believe that the Aryans are nomadic people who lived in Central Asia. So Central historians, they believe that Aryans were the people who live in the Central Asia. As their population increased, the Aryans was forced to move out of their original home in search of new shelter and new pastures. So as the population of the Aryans increased continuously, the Aryans were forced to leave their present land and move out to the other land so that they can leave their so that they can make their shelter and make a different agricultural field and live their life peacefully. Those who migrated into India came to known as Indo-Aryans. So those Aryans who migrated to India, they were known as Indo-Aryans. The Aryans entered India in stages and looked several centuries to bring India under their control. So when Aryan entered in India, they looked for many centuries how the different emperor rule India, and finally after many centuries they took control over the land which was under India. They first settled in the Sapta Sindhu region, that is the region of 7 rivers. So they first settled in the Sapta Sindhu region in our India. They named is Brahma Varta, which means the land of God. So they named the Sapta Sindhu region as the Brahma Varta, which means the land of the gods. The period between 1500 BCE and the 1000 BCE during which they lived here is known as the early Vedic period. So the period between 1500 BCE and 1000 BCE, this period is known as early Vedic period. The history of India during this period is based mainly in the Rig Veda, which was composed during this time. So the history about the early Vedic period is based mainly on the Rig Veda, that is one of the Veda of the 4 Vedas, and which was composed during the early Vedic period. Hence this period is known as the Rig Veda period. So as the Rig Veda was composed during the early Vedic period, so this period is known as Rig Vedic period. The Aryans gradually moved ahead and settled in Gangetic valleys. So after capturing the Sapta Sindhu region, they finally moved towards the Gangetic valleys, that means the region near the Ganga river. The entire region under their control was renamed Aryavarta, which means the land of the Aryans. So the entire region of the Gangetic region which they have captured, they named as the Aryavarta, which means the land of the Aryans. So in this picture you can see this is the region they have captured, the Sapta Sindhu river. Okay, and this is the Aryavarta region which they have captured near the Ganga river. Go through this picture, you will able to understand the territory which was captured by the Aryans.